Hi, welcome back to Intelearn. In this video, we're breaking down OEE, Overall Equipment Effectiveness, one of the most powerful metrics in manufacturing. So, what exactly is OEE? It's a score that tells us how well a machine or factory is performing compared to its full potential. OEE is built on three pillars: availability, performance, and quality. Availability: is the machine actually running during scheduled production time? If you plan for 8 hours, but lose 1 hour to breakdowns or long changeovers, your availability drops. Performance: is the machine running at its design speed? For example, if a machine should make 100 pieces per hour, but only makes 80, that's a performance loss. Quality: out of everything you produce, how many units are good? If you make 1,000 pieces and 50 are defective, then quality is 95%. The formula is simple: OEE, availability, X performance, X quality. Example: if availability is 85%, performance 90%, and quality 95%, OEE 0.85, X 0.90, X 0.95, 72.6%. Now, how do we judge this number? 100% means perfect production, no downtime, no speed loss, and zero defects. 85% or more is considered world-class. 60-75% is common in many factories. Anything below 50% means there are serious improvement opportunities. But here's the important part: OEE is not just a number, it's a diagnostic tool. By looking at which of the three factors is weakest, you know where to focus. If availability is low, tackle breakdowns, setups, or waiting time. If performance is low, check for small stops, slow cycles, or operator training. If quality is low, focus on defect prevention, poke a yoke, and process control. Some common strategies to boost OEE are implementing TPM, total productive maintenance, to reduce breakdowns, using SMED techniques to cut changeover time, training operators for consistent cycle times, applying root cause analysis for quality issues. Remember, every 1% increase in OEE adds up. For example, if your line runs 10,000 minutes per month, improving OEE by just 5% can give you hundreds of extra good pieces without buying a single new machine. So, OEE is like the fitness tracker for your factory. Measure it daily, track trends, and focus your improvement projects where the losses are highest. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Intelearn for more lean manufacturing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.